Hey guys, welcome back. This is the lecture number 85 from our bootcamp series. In this lecture, we will discuss about active storage in Rails. So let's start. So what is active storage? So active storage is a library in Rails which facilitates uploading files to a cloud storage service like Amazon S3, Google Cloud Storage or Microsoft Azure Storage and attaching those files to the active record objects. It comes with a local disk-based service for development and testing and support mirroring files to subordinate services for backups and migration. I already published a detailed lecture on uploading attachments using active storage, but that is not related to this bootcamp course that has some active storage explanation and with the Rails version 7. Okay. And one more thing that I want to let you know that before active storage, we were using gems like paperclip and careerway for uploading attachments in Rails. But since Rails 5.2, active storage has been introduced to handle the image uploading and file uploading inside the Rails. Okay, so I will add the link of that detailed active storage video into the description of this lecture. Okay, you will visit, see the description and go to the video quickly. Okay, now you can find more details about the active storage at the Rails guide. Here you can see that I am at the Rails guide page for active storage. Here you can cover like what is active storage, how to upload attachments using active storage, how to upload single or multiple attachments, and how to delete attachments and link attachments. So everything related to active storage you can find from here. Okay, so this is the definition that we just discussed right now, that what is active storage, and it just the requirements which is required in which must be installed in your system to support active storage to work. Okay, however this gem is optional. Okay, and you can use this gem if you want to perform transformation for image processing. Okay, so you can use this gem. Okay, and now this is the setup guide that you must follow. Okay, this command is required to set up the active storage in your Rails project. Okay, because active storage requires some tables into your database schema. Okay, and it stores blobs and objects there. Okay, so you can see this setup guide. Okay, so you can see that active storage uses three tables in your applications database which named as active storage blob, active storage variant records, and active storage attachments. Okay, so whenever you want to use active storage in your Rails application, you need to run this command. Okay, that is Rails active storage install. Okay, this will generate the migration for creating the required tables for active storage. Okay, so just copy this line and generate uh, active storage migration into our course project. Okay, so just copy this and switch to the terminal. Here you can paste the command and just run this. Here you can see that after running the command, we can see this migration into the this migration has been generated. So let's visit this migration into our course project. Okay, so first open your course project. Okay, and in the course project, go to the db migrate, and here you can see that create active storage tables. Okay, so it has three tables created inside the change method. Okay, so first table is for active storage blobs, and another is for active storage attachments, and another one is active storage variant records. Okay, now the migration has been generated, and what we need to do now, that we need to generate run this migration to get these tables into our schema. So Rails db migrate. Okay, you can see that this migration has been generated, and now you can check your schema file to check that whether these tables are created into your migration or not. Okay, so you can see that these tables are into our schema right now: active storage attachments, active storage blob, and active storage variant record. Okay, now for further details you can again visit the active storage Rails guide. Okay, here is the detailed information about the tables, like active storage attachments is a polymorphic join table. Okay, and you can see that all the declaration regarding active storage must be defined into the config storage.yml. Okay, so let's see. And it comes whenever you generate an application which is higher than Rails 5.2 or at least 5.2. Okay, so you can find that application inside the config. that file inside the config, and into the config you can open the storage.yml. Okay, so now you can see that by default we are using the local environment. So for test and local environment, it comes with the disk storage service. Okay, and if you want to use Amazon or other cloud providers for storing your attachments, then you can see that it has uncommented service. Like for example, if you want to use Amazon, then you need to uncomment this, and here you can define your credentials. Okay, and you can also see that this configuration is also defined into your config environments. Okay, so for example, let's open the development. Okay, into the development, you can see that config.active storage service equal to local. It means in development mode you are defining your services inside the local. If you have if you want to define any other cloud provider, then you must write here like the cloud provider name, like S3, Amazon, and so on. Here you can see. Okay, so this is how you can set up active storage in your application, and it's a brief but good enough information about the active storage. And that's all from this lecture. In the next lecture, we will use this active storage facility to upload attachments into student model for uploading student profile picture. Okay, but I hope this is enough for now, and you can explore the active storage guide at your end as well. Okay, so thanks for watching this, and let's meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, and stay safe.